Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorials how to make hair. To make hair I will use the particle system, but first I will delete this default object and we insert for the subhair. Right click and then choose set smooth. Now to create hair in this object you can go to particle system in it and click plus icons to add. The next click on the hair tab. Now you can see we have this the options. This is for the hair, and you can set for hair length in it. Will decrease for the length. Then for the number of hair, I will set into 10,000. 10,000. The next, you also can add physics into this hair. You can go to advanced, click in it, and then in physics, you can set for the Brownian. We create the Brownian in this hair. You also can view in this render view for the result. To change for the color, you can go to material and then can click new for the color. Now I will set for base color, like you can set into red. This is for red, or you can change into another color, green, yellow, or blue, like this. You also can increase, decrease the light in it. This is for blue dark. This is for red dark. Okay, that's it for basic Blender tutorials how to make hair. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.